All right, Darcy, let's start with some warm-up shots.
Got it.
Perfect. Now, give me a big smile. Beautiful. Let's switch it up. Look serious now. Can you put your hand on your hip?
Sure, like this?
Exactly. Now, let's try some with you walking towards the camera. Yes, slow and confident. Fantastic. Okay, get some break.
Marie,
Yes, miss?
find me information about X school. I want to join Jessica's English class at that school.
Got it. I'll find the information and sign you up.
Thanks, Marie. Let me know once it's done.
Will do, Darcy. But why do you want to join an English class?
Just want to improve my skills for some upcoming projects. Thank you so much.
No problem. Here.
Thank you for helping me. I'm Darcy. You are?
I'm Nam. Happy to help.
So, have you found any clothes you like yet?
Not really. I'm just here practicing my English as part of an extracurricular assignment.
Oh, really? Where are you studying?
I'm studying at X school with Miss Jessica as my teacher.
Darcy, one more set.
Sure. Coming. Hello, everyone.
Good morning,
Miss
Miss
Jessica.
How was your real-life English practice yesterday?
Oh, I went shopping with Nam at the clothing store. It was so much fun.
Many funny situations happened. I wanted to buy a cap, but the salesperson heard get a cab instead.
Yeah, and I called a shirt a shark. Now I know how to pronounce it correctly.
Those mix-up can be tricky. Just pronounce words more carefully.
We're practicing to get better.
Nice effort. You can practice pronunciation by listening to English on TV or watching YouTube lessons.
I take your point, thank you.
You are welcome. How about Maxim and Emily?
We went to the supermarket. I wanted lemon and sugar but said it wrong, and the salesperson got confused. Luckily, Emily helped me.
That's okay. Look carefully at the pronunciation and keep practicing.
What else can I do?
Try to talk in English every day. Start with easy sentences and read words out loud.
Great advice, but how can I know if I read it correctly?
Record your voice and listen to it, or ask me if you have questions.
I get it now, thank you.
Finally, Somi and Flavio, how was your practice yesterday?
Flavio and I went to the restaurant. It didn't go smoothly.
It was hilarious. She had the whole restaurant confused.
Don't worry if you make mistakes, Somi. Now you can say it correctly, which is an improvement.
Thank you, Miss Jessica. I will try. It's not easy.
That's okay, Somi. Keep practicing and you'll improve. Very good job, all of you. Practice makes perfect. Keep it up, and you'll get better every day.
Finally, going home.
Miss Somi, we've been instructed by the boss to take you back home.
How can you guys find me?
Don't matter. You have to go with me now.
I told you I don't want to. Leave me alone.
You know I can't do that, Miss Somi. Your father insisted.
In your dream. Bye.
Get her.
Somebody help me!
Stop. She doesn't want to go with you.
Flavio!
This is none of your business.
What if I love sticking my nose into other people's business? Got a problem with that?
Boy, this is not something you can decide. Back off, or else.
Or else. What? Mr. Flavio, we got your message.
Very good. You know what to do.
You heard that. Go away.
Guys, we don't want to hurt anyone. This is just a family matter. We don't need to fight.
A family matter? Huh? Doesn't look like Somi wants anything to do with your family matter.
Fine. I guess we choose the hard way. Get her.
Come.
This isn't over. We'll be back.
Flavio. Sorry.
Don't worry, these guys are tough. Let's get you somewhere safe. They won't bother you anymore.
Thank you, Flavio. Those people were my father's bodyguards.
Your father? Why does he want to hurt you?
He doesn't want to hurt me.
So, what are they doing?
He sent them to take me back to my country. My father. He's forcing me to marry someone I don't want to.
Oh, well, I must say, what an incredible escape for a young lady like you.
Is that sarcasm?
No, I mean it. It's a compliment.
How quaint, but thank you, again. So, are you? I mean, you look like you're in the Mafia. Gang, you know.
You could say that.
Oh my gosh, I never expected this from you. You're the coolest, Boss Flavio.
It's not like that. I mean, it's not something to get excited about.
How did you know when they were coming?
Today, when I went to school, I saw a group of suspicious people outside. I had a feeling something was wrong. So I followed you and saw that.
It turned out that way. Thank you very much. If it weren't for you.
It's nothing. But Somi, I want to ask something.
What is it?
Why do you always have hate towards me? What did I do?
Oh, that.
It's okay, Somi. I think there's something that makes you act like that. Tell me. I want to know what's bothering you.
Okay. One time I saw you and another guy bullying a woman. To be honest, I really hate that.
Ah, so you were the one who called the police.
Yes, it's me.
Somi, that woman is a scammer, specializing in fooling the elderly. My friend's mother was a victim.
Victim? What do you mean?
She swindled money from people, especially the elderly. We were trying to expose her and hand her over to the police. What you see at that time is because I was chasing her.
I had no idea. I wish I knew the whole story earlier. I misunderstood. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Somi. The truth is, I look like a bad guy.
No, you don't.
Haha. So let's put it behind us. Can we be friends now?
Yes, of course.
Friend.
That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.